Oops. So now we're working with another type of angle, and it is inscribed angles. An inscribed angle is an angle with its vertex on the circle and two sides that are chords. So vertex is on the circle and two sides are chords. Remember, chords are just cutting through the middle of a circle and the endpoints are on the circle, on the line of the circle. An intercepted arc is the arc that lies between the endpoints of an inscribed angle. Okay, so an inscribed angle is this ABC. The vertex is on the actual circle. The intercepted arc is the circle part that's in between the two endpoints of that angle. All right, now the degree of the inscribed angle is equal to half. All right, half the measure of its intercepted arc. So this measure, ABC, is equal to 1/2 of whatever the measure of AC is. All right, so remember, arcs are out here. We always have more, so you see, I look at it as like an ice cream cone. You always want more ice cream than you do cone. So that's why the cone is going to be half of whatever the ice cream amount is, or think of it as the ice cream is always double. Now, when you intercept a diameter, if an inscribed angle intercepts a diameter, then it is a right angle. So the measure of BAC, I know that this, okay, the measure of BAC is going to be 90 degrees, BAC, because this arc BC is 180. It's a diameter. It's half the circle. Also, if two inscribed angles intercept the same arc, then the angles are congruent. So the measure of angle ABD, this angle right here, opens up to arc AD, but so does this arc goes with this angle. So then it's going to be equal to the measure of ACD. So here we go. We have a couple different problems throughout here. All right. So find each angle and arc measures. What is the measure of angle WXY? WXY, this angle in here. Remember, we want less cone than ice cream. So we take the ice cream, 62, and we cut it in half. So the measure of that angle is 31 degrees. On the other hand, I have this ice cream, they're talking DGF, D to G to F. How much ice cream is this? Well, we want more ice cream than cone. So if I have 113 degrees of cone, I need to multiply that by 2 to get 226 degrees for ice cream. P, Q, R. Okay, it may look like you don't have any information, but the ice cream here is a half circle. It's a semicircle. So that's 180 degrees of ice cream. So the angle is going to be half of that. All right. So you'll also have some problems with x's in them. You'll have to set up an equation. They won't be as easy peasy as this. So solve for x. I know that the angle is 8x minus 9. That is going to be equal to half of this. So 1/2 of 158. And you'll solve from there. In this case, I know that 67 degrees is equal to, okay, I want 67 degrees is going to be 1/2 of 4x plus 58. You can look at it this way, okay? The angle out here, this 4x plus 58, is equal to 2 times 67. Okay, or say, hey, this is 67. I'm going to double that. So this is going to be 134. And then you set it equal to 134. All right, those are pretty simple. Now, sometimes we get two of these. This is when it's difficult, okay? We have FGH. FGH, this angle, 6x plus 21, is going to be equal to we're going to set up an equation with the ice cream. Okay, now one of these is half of the other, one of these is double of the other. The ice cream, okay, the ice cream here, I need 2 of these to equal 1 of those. Or you could say 6x plus 21 is equal to half of 17x minus 28. All right, and then you solve for x and then plug it back in to find f, j, h. All right, and that is it for today.